Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and access your FMCSA Portal account step by step and explain why this is important for your company. This is helpful because the FMCSA Portal is where you manage your company's safety and compliance information, user access, and official records. If you're running a malito, if you're running a trucking company, this is something you need to set up correctly from the start. First, go to the FMCSA website. So when you get there, select company employee since you're not a federal or state employee, and then click next. Now, enter your USDOT number to look up your company information. Once your company loads, the system will check if there's already a company official on file. If there is an existing company official, you see a message telling you that you'll need to request a user account. If there is no company official, the system will let you proceed as the company official, which is the main account holder who can grant access to other users later. So to confirm that role, enter the US.dot PIN, validate it, and you'll see company official appear as an available role. Select it and add it to your requested roles. You'll also notice small question marks icons throughout the form. So these are really helpful if you're very unsure about something. Click them and they'll guide you step by step. Next, you'll be asked for a reason for the request. If you leave anything blank, the system will let you know exactly what's missing and even highlight it for you so that there's no confusion. After that, enter your personal information, create a user ID and password, and make sure you save them, even if you don't use them often. They're still important to keep. Then you'll enter your company information, including your principal place of business, phone number, legal company name, job title, and preferred contact method. As a best practice, email is usually the easiest option. So once everything is filled out, review the rules of behavior, agree to the terms, and submit the request. You'll also see the links to training materials that you can download for reference. After submitting, the system may take some time to load. Portal accounts can take up to 24 hours to become active, so don't worry if you can't sign in right away. And that's it. That's how you can create and access your FMCSA Portal account correctly. So thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, hit the subscribe button, and for more simple how-to videos like this, I'll see you on the next one.